The Handmaiden Moth, Amata cyssea, a moth of the subfamily Arctiinae. It is found in the Indian subcontinent and Sri Lanka. Here you are observing the mating couple day-flying Amata cyssea moths. They are active during the day. They mimic wasps in their coloration and body. Handmaiden moth larvae pose risks to plant health by consuming foliage, creating notches or holes in leaves, which impairs photosynthesis and can stunt plant growth. Adult handmaiden moth are attracted to light, so using a light trap at night can be effective way to find them.